Yes, we're back out again and we have brand new permission. My cousin just got permission to do this lovely bit of land here. Look at this. We've just arrived, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. Not too cold, a bit of sunshine. We're going to crack on here, see if we can find this brand new permission. We can't stop getting permission. So yeah, going to crack on here, see if we can find. The ground's a bit like sloppy, wet, but we'll give it a go, see what we can find. C's on the first one. Hopefully we can find something decent. Let's do this. And this is our first find of the day. Maybe it's a old tow bar or something, is it? I don't know. Was it deep down?
No. Very shallow.
Well, loving this new permission. Loving it. Hopefully it stirs up something good for us today though. Hopefully. Oh by God, I do love it. I love it. Okay, so this is my first decent signal. And we have something inside here. I actually haven't a clue what it is yet. Could be nothing, could be something. Let's see. Oh, focus. Gonna be a coin, is it? A button. It's gonna be a button, isn't it? Yeah, so what's it looking like? Maybe not. Come on, come on, break. Jeez, that muck is welded to it. And there we go. First find is a button. That ground is so tough. Hold on. Is that a button? Yeah, it's a button. It's a button. First find button. Lovely 84 signal. Just dug this. Don't know what it is. Nothing to jump up and down about. We'll keep on going. And that first thing I found there when I thought it was a button is actually a coin, but I looked at it, I cleaned it, there's absolutely nothing on it. So yeah, first find was actually a coin. Next up is a piece of lead with a little ridge on it. Don't know what that could be off, but it's a bit of lead. Yeah, little lead. Okay, so we have another mud ball here and there's something inside. Let's see. Could be nothing, might be something. Ooh, I'm looking at the edge. I like the edge. Look at this. This ground is so thick. Is that focused? Let's see. It looks like a coin. It surely is. It's a lovely coin. It's a lovely coin. It's looking like a halfpenny and it is in good condition. Ooh, oh. Now, look at this. I just want to say about this muck. See how thick it is and how it's stuck to the coin. So, I'm guessing anything that's in this field will be in pretty good condition. I'm going to give it a proper clean there and I'll get back to you. Just see can I get good date and all of it. Okay, so I've just gave it a good clean there. You can obviously see Britannia there, halfpenny. And it looks like 1922 at the very bottom. And then if I turn it around, you can see George V head on it. Yeah, it's the George V halfpenny, 1922. So I've just dug it. I can already see something sticking out here. Let's see what this could be. Whoa, something sharp there now. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. A bit of old foil. Dirt. But that happens sometimes. They can't always be good holes. You have to get your bit of rubbish in it as well. So yeah, that's what it was. Good signal of it. But disappointing when I took it up out of the ground, so yeah, that's what it was. We have a ball of lead. I was thinking maybe musket ball, a fired musket ball. Not quite sure, but possibly could be a fired musket ball. If any of you have any idea or if you can say whether it is a fired musket ball or a musket ball, let me know in the comments. Yeah, is it just a ball of lead or is it a fired musket ball? Let me know in the comments. So my cousin's after digging this. It's an old lead bullet, 1 ring. You can get these, but they have 3 rings on it as well.
Yeah?
Yeah, different rings on them. That bit of lead there to fit down into the shell, you know?
No.
You know what I'm saying to you? Yeah, interesting find that now. Let's keep going. Is it that side? Pinpointer's not picking it up, lads. That's how tough the ground is. Oh. Now we have her. What was it ringing in this?
86.
Yeah, it's here, yeah. Somewhere. It's in that, is it? What is it? Is that it? What's that? Open it. What's that? Bit of buckle. Let's see. Oh, it's so funny now how worked up you get thinking there's got to be something good and then it's just a piece of dirt. Yes, yes and yes. Another one. I was sitting in here, just flipped it out and took a bit of the sod off. I was just sitting right in here like this. Let's see what it is. Looks like it's going to be toasted. There we go. I'll just give it a little quick wipe. Ah, yeah. That there is battered. Yeah, absolutely battered. Still another kind though. Just got a banging signal and I dug it up and this was inside. And when I seen the edge of it, I was like, oh my god, is that gold? Oh, no, it's not. It's that, whatever this is. I haven't got a clue. What's that? Hold on. Yeah. That's what it was, and I keep it, and I got my hopes up there. I was getting a 66 signal, said I'd dig it. And it turns out to be a very, very small coin, which looks like it could have been a halfpenny or a penny, but it's just rotted away from being in the ground for so long. Yeah, an old rotted coin. What have we got here? What have we got here? Oh, it's a coin. Oh, what kind of coin is that, man? Let me see. What? Ah, here. That's in some condition. It's a penny, man. I'm just gonna give it a little wipe, right? Hold on. 1923. George V penny, man. Good nick. Big as well. There we go, look. Is it your... Yeah. Ah, lads. See, I wish mine were like that, you know, real thick still.
Yeah.
Mine would be really thin. 1923 penny, man. Just took a big lump of lead. Gave off a lovely signal, 85. That's what it was. A lump of lead. Yeah, you're right, it is a buckle. Maybe off a saddle or something. Yeah, it's a buckle. Signs of life. Signs of life. A little button. Is there any detail in the front?
Not a stitch.
No, every time I find buttons, there's hardly any detail on them. You'd be lucky to get detail off on now.
What?
You would. Yeah. Another little coin. How'd you get a buckle? Yeah, I've seen that. Sorted. Yeah. Definitely more stuff in these. And we have another coin, but it's absolutely battered. Just dug it out here when I flipped it up, you can see, I seen this bit of green here. I was like, there's a coin here somewhere, and that's what it was. A coin. Yeah. That was your signal 86.
Yeah.
Go for it. What's that? What's that? Oh!
Rolls of fruit drinks.
I actually thought that was silver. Yeah, I'm just finished up there now and I'm heading back to the van. Well, what can I say about the new permission? Well, today it wasn't really great. We found a few bits, but it's only our first time here and it's new permission. I have high hopes for it. I'm going to be back here in the next few days. Just to see what I can find, because I've only done a few hours today. So I'm going to hit these again now in the next few days. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, if any of you are on YouTube later on, one of my favourite metal detectors, one of my favourite metal detecting channels, the Dukes of Derbyshire, is putting a video up at 7 o'clock tonight of some treasure that he found. So yeah, go check that out. It's at 7 o'clock tonight on YouTube. I can't wait to watch it myself. That's where I'm going now. I'm going home now to buy a bottle of whiskey. I'm going to sit up, my feet up, 7 o'clock, watch the Dukes of Derbyshire's video. Go check it out, all yous. The Air Digger's out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next few days, and please subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. So yeah, the Air Digger's out. Peace. Woo!